Next, the TAMIYA NISSAN SKYLINE GTRV Spec 2. I think I'm going to do this in a metallic colour. Or maybe a blue. I don't know. Alright, let's take a look. Alright. Alright. So first is the glass. Undercarriage. Main glass. Looks perfect. As always with TAMIYA. 2 sets of wheels by the looks of it. So some chromed wheels. And then in here is a sprue with wheels too. Let's see. I'll have a think about that. Maybe paint these in black. That's cooler that you get 2 sets of wheels. Some mesh. Tub. Seats, door cards, bumper, front bumper. Pretty standard, looks good. Some wheels, sorry, tyres. One more sprue. Only two main sprues. There's the chassis, engine parts, engine bay, exhaust, brakes, anti-roll bar. Looks good. And let's take a look at this body. And there's the body. And it looks really nice. I mean, really nice. And some decals. Very simple decal sheet. And last but not least, the tips and hints. Some window masks. Always good to get those. And here's the instructions. And there are 19 steps, so relatively easy compared to some things. So looking forward to this. Let's see how it comes out. Yeah, those wheels look cool. Maybe I'll do it in black. Okay, thanks for watching. So here it is, finished. I love the colour blue that I picked. Came out really, really nice. Fantastic model. TAMIYA, all went together very well. Interior is a little bit boring. I just did it in the German grey that it called out. But I'm overall pretty happy with it. Let me know what your thoughts, feedback and comments are. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.